Welcome. I am George Pierce. This video is a video extra. It's an extra video for my video training series, How to Make $150 a Day as an Affiliate Marketer. If you're not familiar with the training series, it's a step-by-step process which focuses on using content, and it also focuses on on-site SEO. And the idea is that when you put all these together, you're going to get free traffic. You really are. You're going to get a lot of free traffic, and in fact, it's free organic traffic, literally the best possible traffic on the internet. And as your keywords grow, as your content grows, as your site grows, the traffic continues to grow as well. In fact, it grows exponentially. The training series is built around weight loss. It's built around a product actually called Exapure, which is a weight loss product, but the training is going to apply to any product. It's going to apply to any niche. If you're not following this series, you will find a link below to the first video in this series. This training is legit. This training is proven. This training is a way to make at least $150 a day from the comfort of your home as an affiliate marketer, just working part-time. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing a trick that I recently used and one that you can use as well. And you're really in for a treat. I'm no kidding. What I'm about to share with you is absolutely fantastic, so stay with me. As I mentioned, Exapure is a weight loss product. It follows, therefore, that our target audience, the people that we're targeting, the people that we want to visit our website, are people that are interested in losing weight. So keywords and keyword phrases that are built around losing weight are keyword phrases that we're interested in because they're going to attract the kind of people that are going to like our content and that are going to be interested in our products. One of the creation strategies or content creation strategies that I am using is adding weight loss tools, weight loss apps, weight loss equipment. So that's additional products that you can use that your customers would be interested in, and therefore you can make more sales. To get additional products, you can use sites such as CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, Flex Offers, and Amazon. These would be for typically for physical products. But what I want to share with you in this video is actually a free tool that has unbelievable search. The search volume is extraordinary and the competition is, so that's the purpose for this video. And the tool is called BMI Calculator. And what it does, of course, is it calculates what's called BMI. BMI stands for Body Mass Index, and BMI essentially tells you whether you're underweight, overweight, or at a healthy weight. A BMI of 25 or higher is considered to be overweight. A BMI under 18.5 is considered to be underweight, and between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered to be a healthy weight. So if people want to know their BMI, one of the things that they would be looking for is a BMI calculator. The other thing that they would be looking for is a BMI formula. There are two formulas that they can use as well, and these, I'm going to share all this a little bit later, but these are formulas that, one formula is for kilograms and meters, the other is for inches and pounds. And I want to get to the reason why I'm sharing this with you, because the keyword phrase, how to calculate BMI, has some unbelievable numbers. According to Ubersuggest, and Ubersuggest, by the way, is a free, 100% free Chrome extension. If you download Ubersuggest, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm seeing here, and Ubersuggest reveals some absolutely jaw-dropping search numbers. I'm sure that you're going to agree that almost everyone that's looking for how to calculate BMI, or if they're looking for a BMI formula, they're most likely wanting to lose weight. If we take a little closer look at what Ubersuggest has to tell us, Ubersuggest is showing that this keyword phrase on Google is getting a whopping 2.2 million searches, 2.2 million searches, and it's got an SD, a search difficulty, in the 30s. This is extraordinary. This is extremely, extremely low for this kind of massive search. If you're familiar with my videos or my training, you'll You already know that I recommend a search difficulty in the 30s for the weight loss niche for beginners, because anything in the 30s or lower is excellent for beginners. So this is absolutely fantastic. Again, the reason for this video. And I want to point out two more keyword phrases that we need to be jumping all over as well. These are keyword phrases that you do not want to ignore. The first one is how to calculate BMI by formula. And that has a monthly search of 1,600. That's an excellent search because the SD is 8. That means there's almost no difficulty at all. There's practically zero competition. Anytime that we're in the teens or the single numbers, we're kind of like in marketer's heaven. Especially if we've got a reasonable search volume, and I consider anything over 500 reasonable when we get down into those kind of low numbers, because since we got such low search, what this means is that we're going to get most of those searches, if not all of those searches, if we put together some good content with the right keywords. And the other keyword phrase I want to point out is how to calculate BMI for women. That has a search volume of 720 and an SD of 10. So this is another page that we really should create. The reason is that between these two pages, we're looking at 2,300 potential visits that we can get each and every month for free. And all we have to do is create a couple of good web pages. And when we create our web page based on the keywords how to calculate BMI, I would recommend to do your very best to make the best possible page on the internet. Sincerely, strive to make the best possible page on the internet to provide your visitor with as much quality content as possible. And it's going to help you in two ways. Number one, of course, the search engines are going to jump all over it. So there's 2.2 million visitors out there. Well, you want to get your share, and this is how you're going to do it. Then the other reason why it's going to help you is that when your visitors land on your page, they're getting the content that they're looking for. They're getting the help that they're looking for. They're going to like your web page. They're going to like your content. They're going to like your website. And they're much more likely to visit other pages, and they're much more likely to click on your links and your banner and sign up for your email list and make purchases as well. If you're finding value in this video, and I certainly hope you are, if you like this video, do me a big favor, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And allow me to invite you to join my channel. If you haven't joined my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. And that way I'll be able to let you know every time I publish a new video. So back to our video. I want to share with you a little bit more. And what I want to share with you is some information from TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy is another free tool. It's another free Chrome extension. Typically, we're going to use TubeBuddy to tell us what kind of search volume and search difficulty we're going to get on YouTube. What I've done is I've typed in calculate BMI. Now, that particular choice of keywords is not a good choice of keywords. As you can see, the overall score is poor. These are keywords that I would not recommend, certainly would not recommend, especially for beginners. However, I want to point out that there are over 25 million people that are looking for, that are using the keywords calculate BMI on YouTube. And if we put a little bit of twist on that and put BMI Calculator for women, we're going to get 58. Prefer the green. I recommend the green. We are in the yellow. That is good. We're not in the green. However, we're still getting over 2.7 million searches. And again, we are getting a good overall score. I also want to share with you BMI Calculator for men. And we have just hit a grand slam. We're looking at 100% excellent. We're in the green. We're as far into the green as possible. We've got excellent search. We've got 834,000 searches. So if we target the keywords BMI Calculator for men, TubeBuddy tells us that we've got a tremendous search volume with very little competition. So instead of 3 web pages, I would recommend 4 web pages. Our 4th web page would be built around the keyword phrase BMI Calculator for men. You might even want to do a 5th one BMI Calculator for women. What we're going to need in order to be able to create these pages, one of the core ingredients, of course, is going to be a BMI calculator. We want a BMI calculator that will do pounds and inches. We want a BMI calculator that's going to do kilograms and meters. And this is what these calculators are going to look like. They're real simple, real easy. And you'll find an access link to the HTML for these calculators below. The access is 100% free. There's no email required. This is simply a way to help you to build your web page. And as for your web pages, I would suggest at least 2 columns, perhaps even 3. And again, when it comes to how to calculate BMI, as I mentioned, do your best to exceed 2,000 words. Include the keyword phrase, how to calculate BMI, at a saturation, a keyword saturation of 0.5 to 1%. Of course, include that keyword in your meta section under keywords. Of course, you can also use a siphoning strategy. I would recommend that, along with the bulk marketing method, the bulk marketing strategy. Copy, spin, and paste your content. There really is a lot of content available, so 2,000 words is not going to be that big a deal, as you will see. But it will be a big deal when it comes to getting those search engines to send you a flood of free traffic. Now, on the other 2 pages, although there's virtually no competition, content is still king, and content is the honey that draws the bees. Content is what's going to draw those search engines, which are going to send us those visitors. We still want to create good quality content in order to attract the search engines and in order to get those visitors. And don't forget, I've mentioned this before, and I've tried to make it loud and clear, but don't forget to make that connection. When your visitors land on your page, it is absolutely essential that we connect with that visitor. If we connect, they stay. And when they stay, all kinds of wonderful things happen. And when we don't connect, they don't stay and nothing happens. So make that connection. And if you need any help with any of this stuff, again, I invite you to watch the training series. It'll all become clear. Now, I know there's no such thing as a free lunch, but what you've seen in this video is pretty close. As you grow your website, as you grow your content, as you grow your keywords, and you will see traffic, you will see quality traffic, you will see more and more traffic, and you will see sales, of course, and more sales. What's also going to happen is that you're going to do just exactly what I've done. You're going to come across some keywords, some keyword phrases on occasion that are absolutely mind-blowing, that are jaw-dropping, that are extraordinary. And when you do, jump all over them, make some web pages, and watch what happens, and you're going to be shocked. You're going to get a lot of free visitors a lot more quickly and a lot more easily because of these superb keywords or keyword phrases. Do not forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. And again, I invite you to join my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.